You kiwa ikaia mwana monaki very
old school
Stone Age. Mundu wakanithobia sokaisa gini atwara msamiati wa chengi wonekane you have been onboarded.
Timkatiano. But there was such a segment gatheti-ini I think it was the Young Nation.
Yes.
There was a segment yetagwo guo.
Yes. There was even radio no yetagwo news ya chengi.
Geto.
Ay pop news time. Ukidikodiwa na mahando. Nemato yera na gifidi geto katiana. Ya leta vaira ya kuhana. Wezi ona ukuru kwa eka urutaka uriria wajiro wasegere katherera. I think there was a segment like that. Mukatiano. Kumendea. Kwaje ukione kio yetu. Tia watu wanamedeana.
Wamuthoni yakorora, what is that?
No, gethie rogo umena ni weciugo icio. Kumendeana, kukatiana. Yes. Wakora ukaire tugoka huku Nairobi ile. Wakora kati yako alikala kwenda nimebro na wewe. You tell us about that, you think you're a lunatic today. Kuna fanya nimekubro.
No, I think you are not okay upstairs.
You know, it actually looked very desperate. So nimebro na wewe haki. And of course, I don't know which one they are using today. Nimekunoki.
That was impeached long time ago.
No, it sufficed for a while.
There
was even a song to it. Ninanoki.
Niruaga tene we.
Agire kunokire. Leo metare kigo kira ya kunoka.
Kunoki. If I'm not wrong,
yes,
it must be over 20 years old.
It is highly likely.
Tonirwa kindu around 2000 and
Mathenge akiro inari. Either atumiso. Nameless.
It's
around 2 or 3 there.
Yeah. No akiona riu na miaka kibao na kindu.
Yes. Riu guys, likare itu na man sai mo kithire mwite nimekunoki. Agoria wewe ndio kunoka. Tafunguliwa.
Unless no amarika mau.
Yes. Iu kunoki re. Keu mete no ria engineer nokaga. Ukonia mwite ndure ciria.
Oh, unoka. Unoka tata engine. Ni undu wa wendo.
Na leo ko bro re. Nime bro na wewe re. Yau mete from the blowing of a kiss. Na matuko mako bro re. Na konoki na kukatiana na komedeana. Ni wakora re muno ni akora very insecure. Never mind, you had zero investment in a relationship. Just emotional
investment.
Yes. Ni wakinya ndo atuika secure, especially we chari ya rogo. Ukigwa ni ugo prank mukihi waku. Wone kana nima. Ni akunokete.
Bethi gaku.
Bethi gaku kana ko buru wete na kori. Kana ko gweta ke?
Gweta na ko.
Ko wana ko le wita. Neri kare andike.
Anyway, Ruro.
Tene gweta na. No, that was actually kera.
Tene gweta na. Una marica mana maina twist.
Na kung fu.
Era kung fu.
Na reboro ro ina gero hari arui. Na ta mo
Oleko.
Reboro ina gero ro. Aya mochina akiumisi no amenya ni agotwira. Go disco ya yaro. Ende akono kire. nĩ wacetaga app kanda ũkamĩra atĩrĩ ĩgerie kuha mũkihi waku loyalty test ĩno ĩkagwo nĩ etagwo atĩa mũndũ mũthoni ũyũ wĩkaga loyalty test social media puruto rĩu loyalty test ĩyo ĩkaga na mũrata
waku
na kwĩ mũrata mahũkanĩra hau andũ acio they have never seen
eye to eye.
Yes. Tondu ona guthii atia ni waigua you see them ni wakoraga mukihi ni we irima gari yaku ni okay
stage yo niwe we irima gari yaku ni we irima
erekirwo athii no bado wako we na the you know Tene hikini mehokagwo a bigger percentage than today. People don't trust each other that much. Riu akoo ni wikite na ite ciaku hau akomia agokera kandari kwaria nake yes
ugeri uguo ukahenahenia
nawe ri wakorwo wi hau in the proximity yes kehithania handu na maruru
kana gituthu utie ko gwitũ gĩtagwo gĩtuthu njiguaga gĩũkĩte na karũri wa gakure
kana macororoma nĩ moĩ macororoma nĩ marĩa rĩu maigoya marũrũ kegũtha hau gĩcororoma kaigua rĩu ũthikĩrie conversation Pluto rĩu we nĩwe Pluto kaigua mani bethi nĩ ngoragwo ngũmbũrũĩte kana menya niĩ
niũ njũraga
yone kĩ mwĩranaga na kibe
ĩndĩyo kibe is within vicinity.
Kibe is his heart is beating
boom boom boom
ngoro ĩrahũra mũini wa rwĩmbo ugaga ngoro ĩhũraga kĩ
maita igana
ngoro ĩkĩhũraga ndĩnja ngoro yakwa ĩkĩhũraga ndĩnja kaigua ũkona kĩeyunanga ũkanjia kuona those are signs of
iyo ni red flag
iyo ni red flag
ya mbere
kaigua kai tiga saimo asa ni ngogo ndete kia kihagi aheana hagi iyo your world falls
apart, it collapses.
Alafu kĩniũrũ kĩrĩa ũtũmire rĩ kĩahagwo rĩ gĩkarorio thiũ na harĩa
wĩhithĩte
agwĩka hi
as if to show you
yes that you are actually dating a public utility.
Oh, it was very easy to deconstruct your fault.
Yes, it will show you your line of defense is very porous, weak as hell,
emaciated,
lackluster. Now the goon agakaigua wega
akamenya when to exit.
Yes, this is something I can dare the odds. Akahothora ata waku na akera bethi waku tigithii gutware woko kabethia akiuga sawa no tutigacererwo. That is now the way hero bora our country. I watch them what?
I watch them drive off. What Joe Nichols.
Now we are looking at nothing but
the tail lights.
Uguo niguo mwarata mamwe marume makuire ku
na magĩkobobana
tondu ũcio thiaga kuona atĩrĩrĩ tondu mũndũ ũyũ ũguo ona haha matingĩteithania ũndũ ũngĩ na mũhiki ũyũ rĩ handũ hatũrĩrwo ithuothe rĩ no njoe matamu. No, you would have a very horrible. Na niwe ituĩka rĩa ngoro rĩ ituba rĩa ngoro rĩ rĩathira na kĩmera wakorwo rĩu mbembe irarĩ haha ituba rĩu rĩkahorera ciagethwo. ukamena Simoni
Pio
na muhiki ucio pio nginya ukamahoera gikuo na to utiare ngai ruongo ndungia mahoire maguthwo ni ngai
tiare mitoka
wamahoera mitino ya ohiu
ndere yari kuo ndere history ya accident
wamahoera mitino ya ohiu makimwo ni ng'ombe
macemanie na kirumi
kana matharekwo ni ngui
cia tinaini
matamburwo ni kirumi kana mamerio ni gitarara
na makuo ni rui magethwo gicungi-ini.
You would wish for them to have a natural death in a natural way.
No, it was a very bitter fallout.
Na tuona thimu ciokoro ugu iria cietagwo miunguri Right, yeah, loud speaker. But by themselves, they were already loud.
No, they were loud.
You know, I can't say. Akuria kakike haha ndi yake hoka.
Takahurire.
Kahurire wakatie.
Na hindi yo nginya no ogurite airtime.
Yes.
And you know, back then airtime was also not very
No, it was a luxury. Yes, and they had no other benefits. And it was charged by the minute.
Ahurire. Kaiga gutu haha.
Sasa mlebe. Na nikibuka. Ni solo master. Mesika hiyo jina. Sasa unajua nakuwa nimekukufa baya.
Gai.
Sasa kuna ulisa. Unaweza dependent. Uko flisade.
Saa ngapi?
Tukitoka shash saa 8.
Kungoje wapi?
Kijana msafi leave alone. Okay, what Dugata Yaku is going with the lyrics like she's doing a cover.
Ukamenya wewe umepeano.
Wewe all along you have been living a lie.
Like a fool in love.
Yes. And like a fool, you kept thinking something is going to change. How now there is a danger in loving somebody too much. You see, and then like this generation, these very cold Gen Zs, if you had to break, you never moved on. Wathikairia nyimbo cia ituba ria ngoro uriranie nacio. Wathikairia nyimbo icio. Da. Da. You let's be my baby.
Hari ndugu ciaku irio guo.
Na ere boro wa Uncle Sam. Andege mati Uncle Sam etagwo guo tondu wa rwe boro. Rweto I will never want to see you again.
Ndio cia wendo.
No, as we had very terminal hangovers from heartbreaks. I call no mother motivation ya kaundu kau kaigua tongeri
Ngera huko. Le dai komira 53.